Well, we're still doing simultaneous equation, and then exercise 9. Question 4 here says a squared minus 5ab plus 4b squared equals 0. And the question says solve for a in terms of b. Okay. Looking at this equation, ax squared minus 5ab plus 4b squared equals 0. We can notice that this is a form of a quadratic trinomial, okay? So we can solve it either by factorization or by completing the square or by using the quadratic formula. But I want to solve this by factorization. I'm going to consider the last term. I know it's 4b squared, but I'll look at the constants. So that's 4. Factors of 4 are 1 and 4, 2 and 2. Now, if I wonder, I want to ask myself which couple of the factors of 4 can make the sum of the coefficient of the middle term. It's only 1 and 4 because -1 minus 4 makes -5, and -1 times -4 makes +4 there. That's the +4. If you struggle with factorization, we recommend a playlist that we have in this channel on factorization, because you have like so many videos on factorizations there. Then over here, because the coefficient is we don't see any coefficient of a squared there, what we do here, we can just place a in the bracket, okay, equals 0, and then over there we're just gonna say minus 1b or just b, and then minus 4b, okay. Now this implies that a minus b equals 0, or a minus 4b equals 0, which means a equal b or a equal 4b. Okay, then we answer the question when they say solve for a in terms of b. So a is equal to b or a is equal to 4b. That was a. Now the question B says solve or otherwise determine the values of the ratio a to b. Okay, over here the ratio, if a is equal to b, for instance, okay, I say for a equal b, if a equal to b, the ratio is 1 to 1, okay. And then for, let's see here, for a equal 4b, you can see that if you have like 1a there, it must be 4b, okay. So the ratio will be 1 to 4, okay. So 1a and then 4b, then we have equality, okay. And then the question says, if the sum of a and b is 2, determine the values of a and b. So see, it says that if the sum of a and b equal to 2, determine the value of. So now, in other words, like we've given a plus b equal to. Now, which means a equal to, or I prefer to work out b because I already expressed a in terms of b. So it's going to be wiser to express here b in terms of a. So it's going to be like b equal to 2 minus a, okay. So then to determine the value of a and b, I'll substitute there. It's going to be like a equal to b, but b is 2 minus a. So I'm going to say a equal to b will mean that a equal to 2 minus a. So if I move the negative a over, it's going to be like a plus a equal to, which means 2a equal to 2, which means a equal 1. Therefore, b is also equal 1. Or A equal 4B will be, say or, A equal 4B will be A equal to 4 open bracket 2 minus A, okay, because we did find that B is just 2 minus A. Then this will be A equal to 8 minus 4A. Okay, if I move the negative 4A over, it becomes 5A equal to 8. And then that means A equal to 8 over 5. Thank you. And then now that we find A equal to 8 over 5, we can also find the corresponding B value, okay? Because we said A equal to 4B, right? And then B equals 2 minus A. So therefore, B will be equal to 2 minus 8 over 5. Okay, if you use a calculator, you can get that to be equal to, that makes 10 minus 8 to 2 over 5. B will be 2 over 5. Okay, now we're done.